Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix operation could not be completed error 0x00000bc4. No printers were found in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method on, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these three commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. After getting these three commands done, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it. Select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path used in my video. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. You just need to right click on the Windows NT and select new, select a key, and now check my video description for this text used in my video. Copy the printer's text and rename this folder we created and press enter. And right click on the printers and select new, select key, and now check my video description for this RPC. Just to copy and paste this key name, just to rename this key and press enter. On right side you just need to right click on the blank area and select new and select devote 32-bit value. Now you just need to check my video description for this text. Just to copy the text and rename the value we created and press enter. Double click on the value and change this value data to 1. As you can see, value data 1. After that just click on OK and close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type gpedit.msc. Click on open it. Under computer configuration, you just need to expand the administrative templates and select the printers. On right side you just need to find configure RPC connection settings. Double click on it. Just set this to enabled and under protocol to use for outgoing RPC connection, click on this drop down and select RcpOverNamedPipes and click on apply and OK for save changes, and after that just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.